In front of me is OnePlus Nord CE 5 and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to hit Google. Now choose All Services. Scroll again and click on Autofill with Google here. Now it's time to choose Google Password Manager. If you see Add Password option, click on it right away. If you don't see any of those options, that means that you never added a password before. To make them visible, you need at least one, so to fix it, hit Settings at the bottom right corner. Make sure Offer to Save Passwords is on. Log in to any app and wait for the pop-up to show up. When it does, select Save at the bottom right corner and go back to the same settings. Now tap on Google Password Manager. And finally, with those options visible for you, hit Add Password. Now input all of those informations. At the top, select any website or hit Select App and tap on a chosen one. Then enter your username, email or phone number, password, and even take some helpful notes. When you're ready, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!